Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson Creek, or near Jefferson, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Pewaukee, Sussex, Heartland, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Wales, Waukachi Lake, Oconomowoc, Lisbon, Vernon, Ottawa, Merton, Dousman, and North Prairie. This includes the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,